it's me, Priska Joseph. Dear children, we started our revision series, that is Revision 2025, and the first class is already uploaded. Okay, so now let's move on to the continuation of this class. And in this class, we are discussing some important question. Okay, so let's start. And the question is, the LCM of two numbers is 14 times their HCF. The sum of LCM and HCF is 600. If one number is 280, then find the other number. Okay. Once again, the LCM of two numbers is 14 times their HCF. The sum of LCM and HCF is 600. If one number is 280, then find the other number. We have to find out the other number, and we don't know specifically what is the value of LCM and what is the value of HCF. Okay, so given by a relationship, that is the LCM of two numbers is 14 times their HCF. Okay, by using this, there is one more hint is there, that is sum of LCM and HCF is 600. And by using these two relationships, we have to find out the values of LCM and HCF first. Then the standard equation, that is relation between HCF, LCM and the two numbers, we have to find out the missing number. Okay, so this is the method. Don't worry, we have to solve this question together. First, we have to write down all the relation, all the parameters given in the question. Okay, so given LCM of two numbers is, that is LCM of two numbers is 14 times their HCF. Okay, 14 times their HCF, and this is equation number 1. Okay, and also the sum of LCM and HCF is 600. Okay, so LCM plus HCF is equal to 600, and this is equation number 2. Okay, and there are two numbers and one number is 280. Okay, and we have to find out the second number. Okay, so those are the given data. Okay, so see, from the first equation there is a relation between LCM and HCF. Okay, and now what to do is substitute equation 1 in equation 2. Okay, so LCM is equal to 14 HCF. Let's substitute this 14 HCF in this equation, that is 14 HCF plus HCF is equal to 600, that is 15 HCF is equal to 600, then HCF is equal to 600 upon 15. Okay, what is it? 15 into 4, 60 and 40. Okay, HCF is 40. Okay, did you get me? So this is the value of HCF, and we know that LCM is 14 times HCF. Okay, so let's find out LCM, that is LCM is equal to 14 times 40. Okay, what is it? 4 4s are 16, 1 is the 1 4 is 4, 5 6 0. Okay, so LCM is 560, that is HCF is 40 and LCM is 560. Okay, now the standard relation between HCF and LCM is product of HCF and LCM is equal to product of two numbers. Okay, so what is HCF? HCF is 40. So 40 into LCM is 560, which is equal to, the first number is 280 into, what is the second number? We don't know, we have to find out it. So by this equation, this expression, what will be the answer? 560 upon 280, which is equal to B. Okay, so 0 and 0 cancel. 28 2 times 28 into 2 is 56, that is 40 into 2 80, that is B, or the second number is 80. Okay, hope it is clear for you. Practice such questions. Okay, practice well, otherwise you can't solve anything. Okay, so this is the answer. If you have any doubt, please ask me in the comment section. Let's move on to the next question. So now the fourth question is, find the LCM and HCF of 1296 and 5040 by prime factorization method. By using prime factorization method, we have to find out LCM and HCF of these two numbers. Okay, so let's start. That is first 1296. Let's factorize this first. First we have to take 2 and 6 2s are 12, 4 2s are 8, 8 2s are 16. Okay, again by taking 2 we get 3 2 4. Okay, next 2 is the 1 2 is 2, 6 2s are 12, 2 2s are 14. Okay, here again 2, 8 2s are 16, 1 2 is 2, and here it is 81. So now we have to take 3. So 2 3s are 6 and there is 21, 7 3s are 21. Next 3 9, 3 times 3 9, 3 1. Okay, so what is the factors? That is 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 3 times 3 times 3 times 3. Okay, or in short we have to write 2 to the power 1 2 3 4. Okay, 2 to the power 4 into 1 2 3 4, 3 to the power. Okay, so 1296 can be written as 2 to the power 4 into 3 to the power 4. Okay, next is 5040. Okay, 5040. First we have to take 2. Then 2 times 2 is 4. 5 times 2 is 10. 2 times 2 is 4. And 0 is the next 2. 1, 2, 6, 0. Again 2, 6, 3, 0, 2, 3, 2, 3 1 5. Okay, yeah, 3 1 5. Again 5. The ones place is 5, so we have to take 5. So 6 5s are 30. Here it is 3. Okay, 3 5s are 15. Yeah. Then 63. 7 is the 7. 7 times 9 is 63. Then 3 3, again 1. Okay, so 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 5 7 3 3, or we can write 2 to the power 4 into 5 into 7 into 3 to the power 2. This is equal to 5040. Okay, so what is HCF? HCF of common factors with lowest power. Okay, so what are the common factors here? That is 2 to the power 4, and here it is 2 to the power 4, and 3 is there. Okay, here it is 3 square and here it is 3 4. So we have to take the lowest powers, that is 3 square into 2 to the power 4. Okay, product of the common prime factors with smallest power is said to be HCF. Okay, so 3 square into 2 to the power 4, that is 9 into 2 to the power 4 is 16. Okay, so 16 into 19 is 16 into 9 is 6 9 is 54. 5 is the 9 plus 5 14. Okay, 144. Okay, so 144 is the HCF of the two numbers. Okay, then what about LCM? What is the relation of LCM? LCM is the product of each prime factors with highest power. LCM is the product of each prime factor with the highest power. Okay, so we know 2 to the power 4. Okay, so 2 to the power 4, and here 3 is to 4, 3 to the power 4, and here 3 square. So highest power is 3 to the power 4. Next one is 5, and next is 7. Okay, 2 to the power 4 into 3 to the power 4 into 5 into 7. Okay, so 2 to the power 4 is 16 into 3 to the power 4. What is it? It is 81. Okay, into 5 into 7. What is 5 times 7? It is 35. Okay, multiplication we get 45360. Okay, 45,360, which is LCM. Shortage of time, I am just jump into the answer, but you should practice the question or each and every steps. Okay, step by step answer is required. Okay, so this is the answer. Hope it is clear for you. If you have any doubt, please ask me in the comment section. Okay, so let's move on to the next question. Question number 5 is the decimal expansion of the rational number 4 to the power 43 upon 2 to the power 4 into 5 to the power 3 will terminate after how many places of decimal? Okay, so 43 upon 2 to the power 4 into 5 to the power 3, and 43 upon 2 to the power 4 into 5 to the power 3. Okay, so if 5 to the power 1 is multiplied both numerator and denominator, what will be the answer? See, here it will be changed as 43 into 5, that is 5 times 3 is 15, 1 is there, 4 times 5 is 20, 20 plus 1, 25, 21. Okay, so 215 upon 2 to the power 4 into 5 to the power 3 into 5 to the power 1 is 5 to the power 4. Okay, that is 215 divided by 2 into 5 whole power 4. Okay, using the exponent rule, we have to write like this: 2 into 5 the whole raised to 4. So this can be written as 215 divided by 10 to the power 4. Okay, so in the denominator there is a 10 with the power 4. Then the answer should be like this: 0.0215. Okay, 1, 2. The decimal should be placed after 4 terms, and the answer will be 0.0215, which means the decimal, the number will terminate after 4 digits, 4 places. Okay, after 4 places. So the number is terminates after 4 places. Okay, so very simple one. Okay, so let's move on to the next question. So now the sixth question is: in a school, the duration of a period in junior section is 40 minutes and in senior section is 1 hour. First bell for each section ring at 9 am. When will the two bells ring together again? Once again, in a school, the duration of a period in junior section is 40 minutes. Okay, 40 minutes, and in senior section is 1 hour. Okay, first bell for each section ring at 9 am. When will the two bells ring together again? Okay, so this is the question. So the duration is 40 minutes, and for seniors it should be 1 hour. Okay, so the first bell rang at 9 am, and when will the two bells ring together? Okay, so given that for the junior section, the class duration is 40 minutes. Okay, and for seniors and for senior section it will be 1 hour. That means 60 minutes. So the time at which they rang together should be find out. Okay, so what to do? We have to find out LCM. Okay, right. By using the factorization method, we have to find out LCM. Okay, so 40 can be divided by 2 and it will be 20. Again 10 to 5. Okay, so 2 to the power 3 into 5, that is 40. Okay, then what about 60? It should be 2, 30, 2, 15, 3 and 5. That is 2 square into 3 into 5. Okay. So these are the factors. So what is LCM? LCM is the product of highest powers of the factors. Okay, so LCM is here 2 power of 2 is 3. Here is 2 square. So we take 2 to the power 3 into 5. Both are same. So we take 5 and next is 3. Okay, so 3 is the. So 2 to the power 3 is 2 times 2 times 2. That is 8. Okay, so 8 times 4, 5 times 3. 8 times 5 is 14. And 40 into 3 is 120. Okay. So after 120 minutes, the bells ring together. Okay. What is 120 minutes? Which is equal to 2 hours. Okay. So 9 plus 2, which is equal to 11. So the bells ring at 11 a.m. Okay. Hope it is clear for you. Don't worry, in such a question we have to find out LCM. Okay. Hope it is clear for you. If you have any doubt, please ask me in the comment section. Don't. So next question is a very important one. Okay. So listen carefully. Show that 3 plus root 7 upon 5 is irrational. We have to prove that 3 plus root 7 upon 5 is an irrational number. So in this case, we are assuming that 3 plus root 7 upon 5 is a rational number. Okay, we just assume the contradiction statement, that is 3 plus root 7 by 5 is a rational number. Okay, so what is the condition of a rational number? Sorry. Any number which can be represented in the form of p by q is said to be a rational number. Okay, so this should be a rational number. So how can we represent it? That is 3 plus root 7 upon 5 is equal to p by q or a by b, whatever it is. 3 plus root 7 by 5 is equal to p by q. On cross multiplication, we get 3q plus root 7q is equal to 5p. Okay, so root 7q is equal to 5p minus 3q. Okay, on transpose we get root 7q is equal to 5p minus 3q. Then root 7 is equal to 5p minus 3q divided by q. Okay, difference between two integers, since the difference between two integers is always an integer. Okay, the difference between any two integers is always should be an integer. Okay, 5p minus 3q is an integer. Okay, 5p minus 3q divided by q is a rational number. Okay, p minus 3q divided by q is a rational number, but we assumed that root 7 is an irrational number. We know that root 7 is an irrational number. Okay, so n number never equal to a rational number. Okay, so thus our assumption is wrong. That is 3 plus root 7 whole divided by 5 is a irrational number. Okay, so very simple, but you have to practice these questions. Okay, this is very important one. Okay, so I think we discussed all kind of questions from this chapter, and by next class we will discuss PYQs from this chapter. Okay, we will discuss the PYQs from the year 2022 to 2024. Okay, so that's all for the day. Thank you. Have a nice day.